guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys 4 money making apps. These 4 apps that I'm going to be talking about today are apps that you can actually make money from with no BS, no taking surveys, no spamming like a lot of these videos are. These are actual apps that you can make a little bit of extra cash from. I know concert season is here, festival season is coming, and these are just some apps to put a little bit of extra money in your pocket for your outfits or for you to just have spending money, whatever you need it for. These apps are going to help you get there. If you guys want to see which apps I'm going to be talking about, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you like these type of videos, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so like I said in the beginning, these 4 apps are non-BS apps. These are legit money making apps, and all of these apps are apps that I have used to make extra cash. The first one that I am going to talk about today is Ebates. Now, this is not sponsored by Ebates. I know a lot of people do videos with Ebates and they're sponsored, but this is not sponsored by Ebates. I personally absolutely love Ebates. I do a lot of online shopping, so I highly recommend Ebates whenever I do like my hauls and things like that, because Ebates is legit, like legit. I've made so much extra cash from Ebates that it is beyond ridiculous, and I highly recommend you guys checking it out. So if you guys don't know what Ebates is an online rebate center where you can pretty much get rebates and cashbacks for your online purchases, anywhere from Forever 21, Sephora, Ulta, pretty much any shopping place. They have hundreds and hundreds of stores, and even they're sometimes doing in-store purchases as well. Now I'm going to get into the in-store purchases a little bit later, but I want to talk about the online purchases. And pretty much you get a percentage of cash back when you spend money on the app. You don't have to spend a certain amount. You don't have to go through this to do that. No, it's really simple and really easy, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so there are 2 ways that you can get to this site. You can actually type in Rookin.com, or you can type in ebates.com, and it will redirect you to this website. But yes, I just want to show you guys that there are 2 different ways that you can come here. And once you are on the site, there are different ways that you can actually activate the offers. You can go ahead and type in the store that you're going to be searching for. I just did Forever 21 as a reference, and as you guys can see, Forever 21 is giving back 4% cash back. So there are different options. You can click the shop now, the red one, or you can scroll down and see what else deals they have. So I decided to go ahead and click on the $2 shipping plus 4% cash back. And once you click that, it will go ahead and activate the 4% cash back and then redirect you to Forever 21's website. And then you can go ahead and do your shopping and then pay for it like how you normally do and everything like that. And then your cash back will be in your Ebates account once the order is finished processing. Another way you can do it is add the Ebates extension to your Google Chrome, and you can do it that way. So it'll just pop up. You can see the plus 2% cash back above the website that you're going to. I just use Express for an example. And then once you get on the website, you will see 2 different ways that you can do it. Now the activate, the red one here, or the not now will always pop up if the site is eligible for Ebates. Or you can click the red R up here. If it's not activated, it will be purple, and then it will redirect you to the Ebates site, how the Forever 21 did, and then back to Express, so you can go ahead and check out normally, and then you get your cash back. And it's that easy. That is how you use Ebates on the computer. Now if you want to use Ebates in the store, all you have to do is make sure the store that you're using qualifies for the in-store offers, and if it does, make sure you already have that store pre-activated. You have to make sure it's pre-activated on the website, and then when you get in store, swipe your card, the card that's connected to your Ebates account, and make sure you run your purchase as credit. That's it, and you will get your cash back. And then the third and final way that I would recommend you guys using eBay to making money is referring people. Guys, you can get up to like $25 per person that you refer on eBay. It's like, honestly, a lot of times, like, just imagine if you refer 10 people. 10 people, that's $250 right there. Like, you didn't have to buy nothing, you just referred 10 people, you know? Like, just referring people can get you a lot of money on eBay as well. And it's not always $25, but majority of the time it's $25. I'm gonna leave my referral code below. You guys don't have to sign up with my referral unless you want to. Sometimes they actually do deals where like you will get $10 back, so you get $10 back off of your first purchase with them, like if your first purchase through them and things like that. But like I said, this is legit. It's honestly a money maker, and I've been using it a lot. eBay's payout is every quarter, so every 3 months you would get a payment if your total is over $5. Alright, so the next app that I want to talk about is Ibotta. I talk about Ibotta all the time, especially if you're here from my couponing videos, or if you follow me just from makeup shopping videos and things like that, then you have heard me talk about Ibotta, and that is because Ibotta is legit. Like, Ibotta has made hundreds of dollars in this household, and it's ridiculous as well. Like, it's so good and it's so easy. All you have to do is scan your receipts. That's it. Like, you can scan your receipts from Target, you can scan your receipts from Walmart, you can scan your receipts from anywhere, and then you can even purchase in the app. Like, it'll take you to, like, say if you want to do Ulta, you can get like 10% or 2% back from Ulta, so you get a percentage back from Ulta and stores like that. And even down to the hotels. So like I said, festival season and concert season, all that stuff is coming up, and you probably staying in a hotel, you can even get cash back for the hotels with Ibotta. Like I said, you can legit use Ibotta for every single thing, and it is a money making app. Now with Ibotta, the referrals, I think you only get $5 per referral, so the referral payment is not that high. But I'll also link my referral below if you guys want to sign up. But honestly, it legit works if you need some extra cash, and you can cash out at $25 with Ibotta. I believe they was doing deals where if you refer 5 people, you got $55 for referring 5 people. So if you refer 10 people, you got $110. So yeah, it was that kind of deal going on as well. Sometimes they do different ones, like they'll put you in a drawing for like $100,000 and you split it with your team or something like that. So it's different deals, different months. You have to kind of check out the app to see exactly what they have going on at that particular moment. But I highly recommend Ibotta. Next app that I want to talk about is Dosh. Now Dosh is an app that you can make money based off of your location. And the reason why I say based off of your location is because you guys know I live in the boondocks, so we don't have a lot of shopping areas around here. We have to drive like 15-20 minutes to get to Columbia, which is where all the shopping stuff is at. So when I get in Columbia, like when I get in the Columbia area, the shopping areas kind of widen up and the location changes. So like I said, it's kind of based off of your location, but it's pretty similar to eBay and Ibotta. The only difference is you don't have to scan anything and you don't have to activate anything, but you do have to link your debit card or your credit card, and once you scan it, run it as credit, and then you would get your cash back from that store. As far as the referring goes, I think right now it's only $5, but sometimes they have specials where you can get up to $25, sometimes you can get up to $15 per person. So it really just depends on the time of the year and the special and all that kind of stuff. So it's that simple and that easy. So I would highly recommend you guys checking out Dosh. Again, my referral code and link and all that stuff will be linked below if you guys want to check that out. Now my last app that I want to talk about is Poshmark. Now it's spring, which means spring cleaning and decluttering. So I know y'all got a lot of stuff that y'all want to get rid of and y'all want to sell and make some money off of. So I highly recommend you guys checking out Poshmark. I am an avid user of Poshmark. I have my Poshmark closet. I will talk about it all the time, so you guys know that I'm always selling stuff on Poshmark, and I do make a good amount of money on there. So I highly recommend you guys checking that out. If you do use my referral code when signing up, you will get $5 off of your first purchase. And a little bit about Poshmark. It's kind of like an online thrifting pretty much, and it's used stuff, or some people have brand new stuff on there and they sell it. You set your own prices. Poshmark does get a little bit of the percentage of the money, but I mean, they take care of all of the shipping. You don't have to pay for any of the shipping, so they take care of all of that. You do have to print it out and ship it, but you don't pay for it. It's already paid for. You print out a prepaid shipping label. All in all, it's a really good site, and I highly recommend you guys checking out Poshmark, selling your stuff or buying your stuff on Poshmark. And if you sell your stuff, you do make a little bit of money. And like I said, if you sign up, you do get $5. I highly recommend you guys checking out all 4 of these money making apps. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know some apps that you guys use to make money in a comment below. And yes, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yes, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.